Today we're going to take a quick look at the Guardian case brought to you by TORRAS. The company did send it over and compensated me to make this video, and this is for the Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus. Very cool case here, kind of a minimal design. It does have this nice semi-transparent back on it, which I really like. I'll put the phone in it in a minute to show you how it fits, but it does have all the nice cutouts here, very precise cutouts for the camera, the flash, all the charge ports and everything. And another neat thing it does is it has a replacement button. So you can see here you have orange, and then you also have this like fluorescent yellow color, which I'm going to pull these out and show you. So I'm going to pull out the volume button and switch it over real quick, and I'll pull out the other button and switch it over as well, just to show you how easy it is. So it just has these little grooves, pops right into place, so you can just punch these out just like that, and then bring in the other one, and it just snaps right in. You can kind of hear it click in. It looks really cool. And you can obviously mix and match and kind of customize that how you want to. But overall, very nice case. So let's put it on and see what it looks like here. So let me just pop it in. Fits perfectly, and you can see all the cutouts and all the buttons are very responsive. It does have a little beveled edge here is along the screen, so in case you do drop it. And then it does have that along the lenses as well. So if you're looking for a really nice phone case, it has some good grip on the side as well. I noticed that has a little bit of a texture here. And one more thing that it has on the inside, and it's kind of tough to see. I'll just pop this out and see if I can show you. But it has like these little divots on the inside. And this is like an air cushion design. It's their 360 X-Shock air cushion structure that goes all the way around. And that is designed so if it hits the ground, it kind of provides a little bit of air between the case and your phone to protect it a little bit better. So if you're looking for a really nice case to protect the S26 Plus that you have, then I can definitely recommend this. Hope this helps.